1973 FJ-40. Finally got the thing going. Got a little popping backfire going because I haven't figured it out quite yet. Just need a real good tune-up, whatnot. New ignition, new spark plug wires, spark plug, coil. Kind of got it rigged up for a moment because my alternator's not working. Brand new starter. That noise you hear is my alternator over there ticking away. Need to get a new one of those. But oh boy, she's running good. She's been idling now for about 10 minutes. And I hadn't had any problems. So she fired up, no problem. No problem. She's been firing up, no problem actually. So that's a good thing. This right here is letting me know how hot everything is because nothing's hooked up. You can see 124 at the block right there. That hose was 130. That's not bad. The back of the block we got 118. Look at the head. 137. Not bad. Not bad. Right here on the top of the radiator, 130. That's definitely not bad. Not bad at all. 100 degrees. Not bad. Exhaust manifold, number 6. Right about 300. Ooh, that's the hot one right there, baby. Another 500. That front. It's not too bad. Intake manifold. Good 170. Not bad. I don't have anything. I don't have a cable, throttle cable, brake booster, clutch master cylinder. Don't have none of it. So. But that's her, man. 1973 FJ-40. This is what I got going on right now. Gonna replace my bed. Gonna replace my quarter panels. They're definitely bad. I got a rear sill I'm making. See, my rear sill it's bad. So I got my bracing. Here's my top. This is how the rear sill used to look. Yep. Now my interior, man, the dash is not bad at all. Not bad, not bad. I'm just excited once I got the engine going. I'm just excited to see how this transmission works. I'm hoping it's going to do fairly well since everything else has been doing fantastic with me. So I'm going to go ahead and kill her off. I'm going to post something next time I get it going. Sick.